Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum. Welcome back to another session with your washoff at whatever.com. Today, yet another recipe with Horlicks Oats. Sometimes we're going to make it very simple, but this is what I do, especially to eat in the evenings. What I do is I add fruits and nuts to oats and I sweet flavor them. So in the night, whenever I'm a little bit hungry, if I want to skip a meal, I make this and keep in a glasses and I just take one glass because there's a lot of good fruits in it. Today, I'm going to add a lot of pomegranates into this that will make it look good, and also I'm going to add strawberry syrup to flavor this. I'm also, roasting a little bit of nuts so to make it even more richer. So here I've got the milk that's boiling. In this, I'm going to add oats, let it cook till they're slightly soft. I do not want to make it too thick, so this much should be enough. Just add a pinch of salt, Even though we are going to make it sweeter, pinch of salt makes it even more tasty. So we're going to let this cook for 2 minutes, switch it off and make sure when it is still warm, it is slightly liquidy. Look at the consistency and we're going to add strawberry syrup. Since this has got its own sugar, I'm not going to add any more sugar to this, just the strawberry syrup and mix it well. I do not want it to be too sweet, I want it to be nice, flavorful. So this is good enough. I'm going to let it slightly cool down and I'm going to pour it in the glasses. We have this strawberry flavored oats cool down. So I'm just going to take some glass and pour that much. That should be good. We can make, 5-6 glasses like this and keep it in the fridge. And you can keep it for 2-3 days and enjoy them. If you feel hungry, just grab one and eat. Not too many calories and also very, very healthy. In this, we're going to add a lot of nuts here. And in this, we're going to add strawberry syrup. Look at this. Perfect. Now, add these pomegranate seeds. And now, fill it up with some more oats. Look at this. Since I've got some more nuts, I'm just going to top it up. A little more of strawberry syrup. That should be good enough. Top it up with more of pomegranates. Here we have this awesome oats, and you can have this, especially I love it for dinner. I come back from work, I don't want to eat dinner, I just want to eat something light, but I want it to be filling, and this is what I'm going to eat. Dear friends, Horlicks Oats is very healthy, helps you control your weight, blood pressure and cholesterol. Horlicks Oats is available at the retail store near your home. Grab a packet and get home the goodness and good health. I'm going to leave it in the fridge till it cools down and then enjoy it. Dear friends, perfect, ready, and when it gets a little bit cold, it's even more yummy. That awesome strawberry flavor with this oats. You always feel guilty when you have an awesome dessert. But with this, you don't have to feel guilty. It's nutty, it's fruity, and just too delicious. Dear friends, perfect for good health. That's why we always keep saying, stay fit, live healthy with Horlicks Oats. See you in another session. Till then, goodbye.